Parthiv Padmakumar. I'm studying 3rd grade. The bright colors and perfectly hand-sized Rubik's Cube was an excellent gift I received at the age of 8, since this toy has incorporated physical sensation and visual appeal and problem-solving capabilities in me by improving my concentration and focusing skills. This helped me to achieve an international record by solving Rubik's Cube within 4 seconds. I thank the Almighty International Book of Record, my parents, brother and teachers and all the well-wishers for helping me to achieve this milestone. My special thanks to my mentor Vinod sir, who encouraged me to achieve this dream. Thank you.